Forecast, I'm afraid, over the next couple of days. Nothing too heavy, but certainly today we did have 1 or 2 showers around, but lots of blue sky and sunshine. This was the picture in Cliftonville in Kent a little bit earlier on, and across the border in East Sussex. This is the Ashdown Forest, some blue sky around. Also a few shower clouds too, but I think really tomorrow that blue sky will be in pretty short supply. After a fairly chilly start to the day, the cloud will build and the rain will be moving in too, and that's all going to be courtesy of this weather front heading its way in from the southwest. Before it arrives, we've got this ridge of higher pressure with us at the moment. So these are the showers that we had earlier on, fairly few and far between. They've just been pushing away towards the east. So as we head through the rest of this evening and overnight too, we're expecting dry conditions. So skies clearing out there, light winds too, and that is the recipe for a fairly chilly start. In fact, during the early hours of Wednesday morning, those temperatures are going to dip down to about -1, possibly -2 degrees in the coolest spots. So expect a little bit of frost early on, some early sunshine as well, but then as we head through the morning, the cloud fairly quickly builds from the southwest ahead of the arrival of some rain. So it'll be fairly patchy, on and off outbreaks of rain from about the middle of the morning to the late afternoon, and temperatures only around about 6 to 8 degrees. In the breeze, it won't feel particularly warm. And then moving ahead into Thursday, not a bad day, fairly cloudy on Thursday. There will be some rain down towards the English Channel, and there's a chance some of that could push a little bit further north. But I think bar 1 or 2 showers towards the south, not a bad day, mostly dry, but again fairly chilly, only around about 6 to 8 degrees on Thursday. And then as we look ahead towards the end of the week, so Thursday night into Friday, perhaps a little bit more rain, and then heading into the weekend, another weather front, some fairly gusty winds as well, particularly by the time we get to Sunday. So an unsettled outlook for you. Some drier interludes, but the winds are going to be picking up through the course of Friday and into the weekend too. At this stage, we're not expecting another weekend named storm, but certainly some unsettled weather, and of course the ground is very wet, so any rain falling on that wet ground is not great conditions. So some fairly unwelcome rainfall, I'm afraid, over the next 2
You've got a little bit of sunshine.